Welcome, esteemed learners, to an enlightening journey into the realm of company financial analysis. Today, we delve deep into the intricacies of understanding how businesses manage their resources and what crucial insights lie hidden within the depths of their financial statements. Prepare yourselves to uncover the secrets of success as we explore essential concepts and methodologies that separate the prudent from the prosperous. The art of financial analysis. Financial analysis, the art of deciphering the economic DNA of a company, empowers investors, managers, and decision-makers alike to assess its financial health and performance accurately. Beyond just a mere set of numbers, financial statements convey the heartbeat of an enterprise, its triumphs and its tribulations. By meticulously analyzing these statements, we can distill valuable insights that inform critical decisions and fuel future growth. Decoding the financial statements. Before we embark on our quest, it's vital to acquaint ourselves with the primary sources of financial information: the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Each plays a distinctive role in revealing the financial essence of a company. Income statement. The income statement serves as a chronicle of a company's financial performance over a specific period. It elegantly outlines the revenues earned and expenses incurred, leading us to the holy grail of profitability, the net profit or loss. Balance sheet. The balance sheet, akin to a snapshot, captures the financial position of a company at a given moment in time. It presents a harmonious equation of assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity, offering a panoramic view of its financial health. Cash flow statement. This statement unveils the intricate dance of cash within a company. By meticulously recording cash inflows and outflows, it provides an unfiltered perspective on its liquidity and solvency. Key ratios. Unraveling the enigma. The heart of financial analysis lies in the usage of key financial ratios. These metrics serve as a compass, guiding us through the labyrinth of numbers to discern essential patterns and trends. Each category of ratios bestows invaluable wisdom. Profitability ratios. Our first port of call is profitability. Armed with gross profit margin, operating margin, and net profit margin, we gauge the company's efficiency in translating revenues into earnings. Liquidity ratios. Next, we assess the company's short-term financial vigor. The current ratio and quick ratio provide an understanding of its ability to meet immediate obligations. Solvency ratios. As we venture deeper into the financial fortress, solvency ratios come to our aid. By exploring the debt-to-equity ratio and interest coverage ratio, we ascertain the company's long-term fiscal resilience. Efficiency ratios. Efficiency lies at the core of prosperity. Efficiency ratios like inventory turnover and accounts receivable turnover divulge how skillfully a company employs its assets and liabilities to maximize revenue. Unleashing the power of common size and trend analysis. To unearth profound revelations, we harness the potency of common size and trend analysis. By rendering financial data as percentages of a common base figure, common size analysis sheds light on underlying trends. Simultaneously, trend analysis escorts us through the annals of time, enabling us to discern shifting dynamics and anticipate future trajectories. Industry-specific considerations. One must not tread the path of financial analysis without bearing in mind the diverse nature of industries. A technology giant's financial landscape differs markedly from that of a manufacturing colossus. Therefore, juxtaposing companies within the same industry becomes paramount to derive accurate insights. Harnessing the power of profitability analysis. In this chapter of our Odyssey, we dedicate our focus to profitability. Peering through the prism of profit margins, we unearth the company's ability to create value for its shareholders. We shall unveil how a meticulous analysis of revenue streams, cost structures, and operational efficiency formulates a comprehensive narrative of the company's prowess, the art of liquidity and solvency assessment. Liquidity and solvency stand as pillars of financial stability. As we journey through this chapter, we assess the company's capacity to weather short-term storms and sail through long-term challenges. By observing liquidity management strategies and debt servicing abilities, we unveil the fortress of financial resilience. Efficiency, the hidden key to unlocking prosperity. In this chapter, we delve into the realm of efficiency, the secret to unlocking unparalleled prosperity. Witness how optimizing inventory turnover, reducing accounts receivable periods, and maximizing asset utilization create a symphony of financial success. A tale of triumph, case study of XYZ Corp. No epic journey is complete without a tale of triumph, and XYZ Corp stands as the protagonist of our case study. Follow us as we navigate the labyrinth of their financial statements, summon the might of financial ratios, and breathe life into their financial narrative. Witness the dance of common size and trend analysis as we unravel the company's past, interpret its present, and envision its future. The climactic finale, mastering company financial analysis. With newfound wisdom in hand, we approach the climactic finale of our expedition. Armed with a holistic understanding of financial analysis, you are now equipped to make informed decisions, propel businesses to soaring heights, and illuminate the path to prosperity. Dear learners, we hope this journey through the labyrinth of financial analysis has been nothing short of enlightening. Armed with this newfound knowledge, you hold the key to unlocking the secrets of success in the world of business and finance. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is boundless, and the voyage to financial acumen is but the beginning of a lifelong quest. As you traverse the vast ocean of finance, we encourage you to like this content and share it with your fellow explorers on this journey. Subscribe to our channel, and together we shall embrace the uncharted waters of the financial universe. Until we meet again, may prosperity and wisdom be your steadfast companions.